Good day mga anakshis! Sana marami kayong natututunan sa mga tutorial videos ko sa pagsagot ninyo sa mga modules ninyo. Ang ituturo ko ngayon ay galing sa isa nating avid supporter dahil masipag mag-comment na si Rojan YT or Rojan YouTube. Tinatanong niya kung paano daw mag-solve ng mga ganitong examples. Total ay hindi ko pa naman na-discuss sa inyo ang mga ganitong examples, ay isi-share ko na rin sa inyo kung paano mag-set ng standard na given ang mga ganitong examples. Kung gusto nyong malaman, just keep on watching. Hello mga anakshis! Welcome to Math TV PH. Ang channel na ito ay tungkol sa math tutorials, lectures, or discussions na Tagalog at Taglish na dedicated sa lahat ng mga estudyante. Kung interesado ka, please like, subscribe at i-click mo na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify ka kapag may bago akong upload na video. Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. So dito meron tayong binomial dito at meron tayong monomial to binomial. Dapat kabisado ninyo kung paano mag-multiply ng monomial to a polynomial or binomial to binomial or polynomial to polynomial na na-discuss noong grade 8 kayo. Okay, so ngayon, di ba ang quadratic equation ay nasa form ng ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Dito, kopyahin natin to since wala naman tayong kailangang i-multiply. So, 2a squared minus 3a. Dito, merong quantity. Ibig sabihin, i-multiply muna natin to. 4a times a is equal to 4a squared. Kasi, yung 1 dito, tapos 1, i-add natin, kaya naging a raised to 2. Then, 4a times negative 1 is negative 4a. Okay? Then, para maging standard form siya, ilipat natin yung 4a squared minus 4a dun sa kabila. So, 2a squared minus 3a. Ilipat natin tong positive 4a, magiging negative 4a squared. Then, yung negative 4a naman, ililipat natin doon, magiging positive 4a is equal to 0. Ngayon, pwede nating i-combine yung mga magkatulad na terms. So, pwede nating add or subtract yung 2a squared minus 4a squared, that is negative 2a squared. Then, pwede nating i-combine yung negative 3a and 4a since pareho sila ng variable. Negative 3a plus 4a, that is positive a. Kasi magkaiba ng sign. Kapag nag-add tayo ng magkaibang sign, i-subtract natin, that is 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Since ang sign ng greater number ay positive, so positive siya, is equal to 0. Ang value ng a dito ay negative 2 at ang value naman ng b ay 1 at ang value ng c ay 0 kasi walang constant term. Now, kung wala sa choices ninyo to, pwede nyo namang i-multiply to ng negative 1 para maging positive yung leading coefficient. Kasi sa mathematics, mas simplified kapag positive ang leading term. So, negative 2a squared times negative 1, that is 2a squared. Positive a times negative 1 is equal to negative a. Then, is equal to 0. So, the value of a here is 2 and the value of b is negative 1 and c is equal to 0. So, ganun lang. Number 2, 8 plus 2x is equal to 3x squared minus 4x. Dito sa example na to, pwede yung ito ilipat natin doon. Then, pwede rin namang ito ilipat natin sa kabila. Depende sa inyo kung anong mas madali. Ilipat natin to doon, magiging negative 3x squared. Ito, magiging positive 4x. Using the addition property of equality na na-discuss ko na sa mga nauna kong video kung bakit nag-change yung sign. Okay, so, then copy, plus 8 plus 2x is equal to 0. Next, combine like terms, ang pwede nating i-combine ay yung 4x and 2x. So, negative 3x squared plus 4x plus 2x is equal to positive 6x plus a is equal to 0. Since negative yung leading term, multiply natin to ng negative 1. So, magiging 3x squared minus 6x minus 8 is equal to 0. So, ang value ng A natin ay 3, ang value ng B ay negative 6, at ang value naman ng C ay negative 8. Okay? So, kung wala ito sa choices ninyo, pwede namang negative 3 yung A, 6 yung B, at positive 8 yung C. Another example, number 3, the quantity of 2m minus 5 times negative 2m is equal to negative 11. So, kapag nag-multiply tayo ng monomial to binomial, i-distribute lang natin yung monomial sa binomial. So, negative 2m times 2m, that is negative 4m squared. Then, negative 2m times negative 5, that is positive 10m. Then, yung negative 11, pag nilipat natin sa kabila, mag-change ng sign. That will be positive 11 is equal to 0. Ang value ng A ay negative 4, ang value ng B ay positive 10, at ang value ng C ay positive 11. Ngayon, pwede nyo namang i-multiply ito ng negative para maging positive yung leading term. Pero acceptable pa rin naman to. Number 4, 3n plus 2n squared is equal to n times n minus 2. Dito, kailangan nating isimplify yung my quantity or my parenthesis. So, 3n plus 2n squared is equal to, i-distribute natin yung n dito, n times n, that is n squared, then n times negative 2, negative 2n. Next, i-transpose natin to dito sa kabila. So, 3n plus 2n squared, transpose natin yung 9n squared magiging negative n squared. Yung negative 2n magiging positive 2n is equal to 0. Then, i-arrange natin siya according to the standard form. So, unahin natin yung my degree of polynomial 2, that is 2n squared minus n squared, n squared. Next, yung linear term, 3n plus 2n, that is positive 5n, is equal to 0. So, the value of A is 1, and the value of B is 5, ito, and the value of C is 0, kasi walang constant term. Another example, number 5, 4 is equal to 7x squared minus 5 times the quantity of x plus 8. So, dito, meron tayong parenthesis, so isimplify muna natin yon. So, 4 is equal to 7x squared. Ito, i-distribute natin dito. Negative 5 times x is equal to negative 5x. Negative 5 times 8 is equal to negative 40. Then, i-transpose natin yung positive 4 doon sa kabila kasi mas marami yung nandito, magiging negative 4. So, 0 is equal to 7x squared, negative 5x, minus 40. Yung positive 4 maging negative 4. Combine like terms, that is 7x squared, negative 5x, negative 40 minus 4 is equal to negative 44 is equal to 0. Bakit nagpalit na? Kasi using the symmetric property. Kaya pwede mong baliktarin ito. The value of A is 7. The value of B is negative 5. And the value of C is negative 44. Another example is a squared minus 2a is equal to negative 5a squared plus 7a minus 4. Ang gagawin natin dyan, i-transpose natin tong nasa right side dun sa left side. So, magiging a squared minus 2a. Ito, magiging positive 5a squared. Ito naman, magiging negative 7a. Ito naman, magiging positive 4 is equal to 0. Then, combine like terms, that is a squared plus 5a squared, that is 6a squared. Negative 2a minus 7a, that will be negative 9a. Ito, wala namang kasama, so positive 4 is equal to 0. Then, the value of a is 6, the value of b is negative 9, and the value of c is positive 4. Okay? Another example, number 7. 2 minus 3x plus 8x squared is equal to 3x squared minus 5x. Dito wala namang quantity or parenthesis. I-transpose na lang natin to doon sa kabila. I-arrange natin. So, 8x squared. Isunod na natin to para mas madali. Minus 3x squared minus 3x. Tapos ito, magiging positive 5x. Then, yung constant na positive 2 is equal to 0. Next, combine like terms. 8x squared minus 3x squared, that is 5x squared. Negative 3x plus 5x, that is positive 2. Kasi 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. X plus 2 is equal to 0. The value of A is 5. The value of B is 2. And the value of C is 2. Another example, number 8. 3b times the quantity of 2 plus 4b minus 6b plus 8 is equal to 0. So, dito, kailangan nating mag-multiply using the distributive property. 3b times 2 is equal to 6b. 3b times 4b is equal to positive 12b squared. Then, copy natin to. Minus 6b plus 8 is equal to 0. I-transform natin siya sa standard form. Unahin natin ito. 12b squared. Then, combine like terms. Ito magiging 6b minus 6b. So, magiging 0. Plus 8 is equal to 0. So, the value of A is 12. The value of B is 0. And the value of C is 8. Number 9, negative 5x minus 3x squared plus 8 is equal to 2x times 4 minus x. So first, i-multiply muna natin yung binomial to monomial. I-arrange na natin siya according to its degree. So, negative 3x squared minus 5x plus 8 is equal to 2x times 4, that is 8x. 2x times negative x, that is negative 2x squared. So, negative 3x squared, ito magiging positive 2x squared minus 5x. Then, ito naman magiging negative 8x. Then, positive 8 is equal to 0. Now, combine like terms. Negative 3x squared plus 2x squared is equal to negative x squared. Negative 5x minus 8x is equal to negative 13x. Kasi magkapareho sila ng sign, i-add natin, then copy the sign. Plus 8 is equal to 0. Then, the value of A is negative 1, the value of B is negative 13, and the value of C is positive 8. Or, pwede nyong i-multiply to ng negative 1 para maging positive yung leading term. So, magiging A is equal to 1. Ang B is equal to negative 13 times negative 1 is equal to positive 13. And C is 8 times negative 1, negative 8. So, either sa dalawa dito ay pwede. Ang last example natin, 2x plus 5x squared is equal to 4x squared minus 5x plus 6. So, ito, i-copy natin, 5x squared. Ilipat natin yung 4x squared, magiging negative 4x squared. Then, isunod natin yung positive 2x. Yung negative 5x, ililipat natin sa kabila, magiging positive 5x. Then, yung positive 6, magiging negative 6 is equal to 0. Combine like terms, 5x squared minus 4x squared, that is x squared. Kasi 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Plus 2x plus 5x, that is 7x. Minus 6 is equal to 0. Ang value ng A ay 1. Ang value ng B ay 7. At ang value naman ng C ay negative 6. So, yun lamang mga nakshis. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Sana makatulong ito sa inyong mga modules at mga activities. Kung may mga katanungan kayo or clarifications, just comment down below. At kung nagustuhan ninyo ang video na to, please like, subscribe, at i-share nyo na rin sa mga classmates ninyo. Once again, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy, at mag-aral ng mabuti. God bless you all and goodbye mga nakshis!